We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Muln stock having an explosive run, and we have some key levels to look at going into Monday and next week. And interesting enough, the overall market and the SPY was going lower, guys. Explosive run for Muln, and the SPY was going lower. Our SPY bot this morning sent us out a bear indicator since 8:15 a.m. and from that moment forward, put options were up 5 to 7x within an hour, guys. This is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator and getting connected to the SPY bot. So here we are with Muln, broke through some key resistance levels, and we have some new ones to look at. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump right into it here with Muln stock and everything going on within the charts. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning. Both of them gave 5 to 10%, 10 to 15%. But one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was HYMC, guys. We caught HYMC early on in the pre-market. It was actually consolidating and pulling downwards, and towards the bell, it had a quick run of about 10 to 20% plus, pulled back down, took off into transitions of strength here on 42 vision, got a bull indicator, and hit a highest point of 90% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Muln stock after today's explosive run going from about $1 all the way up to $1.42. That was phenomenal, right? Pretty explosive. That would be considered a home run opportunity in one single day. And there's two things I'm going to share with you guys here that correlate from the last time it exploded to where it is now. But I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. So the two things is we went from extreme weakness, right, into extreme strength, right? Both times. Then we got a bull indicator both times. And this is what we talked about in yesterday's video. This is what we talked about in Sunday's video going into Monday. And we saw the explosive moves. And here we are. So Ultimate 42 Vision has given us two clear opportunities both times when it's gone up anywhere from 40% to 100% plus, right, in a single day or two. And that's the process that we're in right now. So the stock has had an explosive run earlier in the week. It was pulling downwards. We were under a bear indicator, and I always stated that the closer this got to its 52-week low or the recent low of 72 cents, this was becoming a huge opportunity for those speculating long term or saw an opportunity within the dip, right? Now, I've always stated this is a penny stock, and one needs to keep that in mind because every time we zoom out, we start looking at how much it was worth at its 52-week high, stuff like that. But it does not signify or guarantee that's possible again. But anything can happen with such a stock under so much short pressure, right? To possibly create short squeezes and also technical setups within the chart. So we are on our way back up to newer highs here. We're under a bull indicator and we had two complete shifts, right? This is where you could see the dips, which is the white with red borders, transitions from white with red border to red with green, dark green, green, and a bull indicator as extra layer of confirmation and continuation of strength. You could see it there in both runs, recent runs, right? So when I put up the 4 hour, this is important because this is what I stated in yesterday's video. No bear indicator had popped up. We were under a bull indicator. And if this shifted, right, from dark green with red borders to red, that was going to signify further weakness. And we would possibly see a bear indicator pop up to negate this bull indicator. But the fact that this bull indicator is here, it negates this bear indicator. And within the volatility, this could be the setup for the next bull run. And here we are in a bull run again, and it's been pushing higher. And it's very interesting where it found support to bounce back up. And we talked about how strong yesterday's support was and how today's support goes to show the strength from yesterday's, which is what we're going to break down now in the technicals when we zoom in again on the 30-minute. Then I pull up here the 1 day. This is very interesting as well. We're pulling away here from white with red borders, trying to go from red with green borders to dark green if this continues. And eventually, if a bull indicator pops up down here, it will negate this bear indicator and it could possibly signify further strength. Doesn't guarantee it, but it could be the beginning of further strength from this dip area and consolidation for a breakout. So I've talked about all of these things in my previous videos. I've talked about it all week. I appreciate everyone's feedback in the comment section down below. I've been excited to talk about this one since Sunday, right before Monday, as things started to pick up momentum earlier this week. And all this week, it's been a fun opportunity to go ahead and update you guys on it, because many people were requesting this video and this stock within the comments. So let's talk about here on the 30-minute, what are the key levels to watch and what got broken through within today's momentum. So within today's momentum, it broke to the downside and upside. So yesterday's support was really strong there at $1. It slightly broke below it today, hitting 94 cents, but it did not break through 93 or 88. Those were the two support levels below $1 that we were going to watch to see if the bears are dominating or if the bulls can appear within that volatility, right? So when you go back to the 1 day, right, this is where things get very interesting. You could see here how things bounced off within that $1 range. And if I put here the 4 hour, you could see where the bull indicator popped up. It was at $1 exactly, guys. That's where the bull indicator popped up and things found a support. Now I went a little bit below it. That's why we had 93, but 93 did not get broken through and things quickly shifted back to the upside. Now, we broke through every single resistance level we were watching, and we're fighting here to stay above 143, which is significant. And then the next one is up here at 164, which we've talked about, and that's when the bear indicator popped up last time. And once that gets broken through, the next point of reference is up here at 199. I would just round that up to $2, and then we would have to start looking at the previous history of the chart for other levels of resistance. But before talking about that, we want to break through 143, stay above it, get above 150, get above 164, and stay above $2 upon the next levels. Now, this has been a strong push to the upside, and this bull indicator popped up at 101, right around the same area of the $1 range that the 4 hour popped up and where this one popped up. And there's a lot of strength here. And the question is, could this continue, right? So one of the supports I'm watching very closely is down here at 122. And if you want to look at it, even in a tighter spot right here at 124. But that is the lower side of things. We want to look at things to the upside within the volatility because there's a lot of strength here. And one of the most important things so far here is that this 4 hour has actually turned back around, guys. And the question is, could it continue? And the last time we got green bars back to back, we received 4 of them. So right now, there's only one, and we need to watch Is it going to react like it did here and shift quickly back to dark green with red borders, or have a continuation and we'll have to track it compared to the most recent run if it can continue or even break through it beyond 4 of those and go towards 5, 7, 8 of those back to back and continuation of strength. And if this bull indicator holds up within the volatility back and forth as it continues to go higher and no bear indicators pop up. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.